Welcome to Tedong Explained. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of applying for a provisional license in the UK as an immigrant. Whether you're new to the country or planning to drive for the first time, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Explaining the provisional license. Before we begin, let's clarify what a provisional license is. In the UK, a provisional license allows you to learn to drive and practice with a qualified instructor or a licensed driver. It's a necessary step toward obtaining a full driving license. Eligibility requirements. First, let's discuss the eligibility criteria for applying for a provisional license as an immigrant. You need to meet the following requirements. 1. Be at least 17 years old. 2. Have a valid UK visa or residence permit. 3. Meet the minimum eyesight requirements. 4. Provide proof of identity and address. 5. Documentation needed. Now, let's talk about the documents you'll need to prepare for the application process. 5. Make sure to gather the following. 6. Your valid passport or identity document. 7. Proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. 8. Biometric residence permit or visa documentation. 9. Any additional documents required based on your specific immigration status. Application process. Next, we'll guide you through the step-by-step application process. Visit the official DVLA website linked below or local post office branch. Fill out the D1 application form with your personal details. Provide the required documents, including proof of identity and address. Important information: you need to mail your original BRP card. Pay the application fee. Submit your application either online or by post. Waiting period and receiving the license. After submitting your application, there's usually a waiting period while the DVLA processes your request. It typically takes around 2 to 3 weeks to receive your provisional license. Once you have it in hand, you're ready to start learning to drive. To make your journey smoother, here are some additional tips. 1. Familiarize yourself with the UK Highway Code and driving rules. 2. Consider taking professional driving lessons to boost your confidence. 3. Stay updated on any changes in driving regulations or requirements for immigrants. 4. Join online forums or communities to connect with other learners and share experiences. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our guide to applying for a provisional license in the UK as an immigrant. Remember, practice and patience are key to becoming a skilled and responsible driver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.